Guys, today I'm at Royaloak, Kukatpally to check out their exquisite furniture range from all over the world. So come, let's check it out. Trendy furniture is in these days, and the international collection at Royaloak will give you just that. From sofas to wardrobes, beds and more, you can find everything you need all at one place. The Italian collection has specifically caught my eye. From marble dining sets to leather sofas and designer beds, I am in awe. As a fashion content creator, stylish furniture is my top priority. And here at Royaloak, I'm checking out their international collection that has specifically caught my eye. This marble dining table reflects exquisite Italian dinings. Touching this furniture makes me feel like I'm strolling through the streets of Italy. You can't go wrong with this leather sofa. The Italians' leather touch is really amazing. When you sit on this sofa, you live like the Romans do. You can find all your home needs all at one place at Royaloak. The Italian collection offers you exquisite bedding, dining tables, sofa sets and more. Come check out this Italian marble center table, which comes with Italian art marble, which is a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. This will surely complement my new Italian sofa. Coming to the Venice Italian collection, the designer bed, the dresser, the bedside table and wardrobe, the whole look is straight out of an Italian palace. As a girl who loves fashion, having trendy furniture is a must. So make sure to check out the Italian collection here at Royaloak.